In this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can add a header and a footer inside of Wix. Now keep in mind on Wix, no matter what, on every single website, they will already have a pre-built header and a pre-built footer. So if you select any site here and press design site, which will take you to the editor, as you can see at the top here, it will say header, and at the bottom, it will say footer. So if you want to edit and customize these, you can click on them and you can select here. You can type in a new text. If you want, you can add elements like text, image, all this stuff, and you can put it on here. Or you can do a quick edit, which will allow you to see it from this way, header and the footer down here. And that's basically how it works. So you don't actually need to add this by yourself. It will already be there on all accounts. So that's basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.